Hey, good afternoon, everybody. July 3rd, the day before our holiday here in America. Just wanted to go over our Forex trades for the day. We did have 4 trades, picked up 33.6 pips. Actually, the trades were really from late last night, before, between 7 p.m. and midnight Eastern Standard Time. We did have to avoid the non-farm payroll number this morning at 8:30 Eastern Time because it is the largest number uh, announced every month. Not our style to take a position prior to it and take a chance on what it's going to do. So we didn't have any positions on prior to it, and then after it, it was such a big surprise to the upside. Unemployment went down, more jobs were created than expected, that the currencies popped tremendously, so we didn't even get a chance to really do too much. But with that said, we'll go over the 4 trades that were from late yesterday afternoon and last evening. We'll go over them in no particular order, and what you're looking at here is US dollar, Japanese yen. We got a signal to go long 101.786, picked up 3.2 pips. It was just a slow moving trade. It was late yesterday afternoon. Not much to really look at there. A matter of, a few hours later, it did pop higher. So guys that held it, they did a little better than we did. And then this big spike here, this is the non-farm payroll. So, we would have been out. Anyone else that was trading as a signal, if you're trading along with us, at least with our style, you're definitely going to be out before that pop. So. Did we leave much on the table? I don't know. I don't really think so. I mean, like I said, it was a slow time of the day, so pick up 3.2 pips. Not the worst thing in the world. Euro Australian dollar. We got a signal here to go short 1.44588, and you see she pulled in. We covered right here, which kind of was at these bottoms. It correlates with this area here of congestion. Picked up 5.2 pips. It did break it and came down, but it came down to this level of congestion here, or support, and then tried to bounce. So we left some on the table here, but not really that much. I mean, you're talking another close to 20 pips. It doesn't look like it, but it is. But it was so slow again. It was late yesterday afternoon, so we'll take that and we'll keep it. Then there was one last evening. We were short 1.44675. This spiked down. Really, at the time, the spread had widened because it was pretty much late, and that bottom there, that's the bid. So with this wide spread, we really weren't up. We were up like maybe 1 or 2 pips. Didn't cover. But then we wanted to get out. This was not non-farm payrolls. This was actually news from Australia. One of their central bankers was making a speech. So we wanted to be out ahead of that. We lost 9.3 pips. Good thing we got out because you can see what happened. These events, you have to know the economic calendar with these events. If you hold it, you're taking a chance. You might as well just go to Atlantic City and bet on red or black at that point. So I think it was a good move to get out and take the loss on that. And the last one, this one was key. We were short this Australian dollar to Canadian dollar 1.00589. Again, yes, this is the spike down from the central banker in Australia, but we were piecing into this, so we weren't putting on a whole position all at once. So therefore, when you do that, you piece into thirds. When you have your first third, you're going to risk what we call average true range, and on that, you're looking at risking 56 to 60 pips, but you only got a third, so that's like risking about 20 pips of a full position. And then the news came out and started to bust down, and that's when we got the second third and the third, and it just went right in our, obviously just like that, the euro to Australian popped, so we're on the right side. So we were shorting and getting into a full position as the strength is building, and it built right in our favor, picked up 34.5 pips. Got out too early, obviously, as this spiked down in this 30-minute candle here. She went down another 20 pips or so from where we covered. And then over pursuing hours, it just continued to come down. And then this is the non-farm payroll here at 8:30 in the morning, which just totally made it collapse even more. So some of the guys may have held this that had this signal, and they would have rocked it. but we picked up 34.5 pips on it. So overall, we picked up 33.6 pips. So basically, the other three trades, we were relatively flat to down about, call it 9/10 of a pip, and then this one really made our day. So we'll take it, we'll book it, and we'll move on. Not trading tomorrow. It's a July 4th holiday, although markets will be open around the world as far as the Forex world goes. But we won't be trading. Any signals that come out, though, they will be coming your way, and you could take them or not, and do whatever you wish. If not, good luck. Have a great July 4th, and we'll be back trading Sunday evening, Monday morning, whenever we get signals. All right, have a great holiday.